and then this is the puberty stage. Spermatogonia will undergo mitosis to form primary spermatocytes. So these both are primary spermatocytes. And that is diploid because it's a product of mitosis. Now each primary spermatocyte will undergo meiosis 1. Meiosis 1 to form secondary spermatocyte, and they are equal in size. I told equal because when you learn oogenesis, one will be big, one will be small. So here secondary spermatocytes both are equal in size. This also will undergo meiosis 1, and you get all these secondary spermatocytes. Each one will be haploid because they are the products of meiosis. That's why. Now each of these secondary spermatocyte will enter into meiosis 2. Meiosis 2. Now when they enter into meiosis 2, they will be called as spermatids. They will be called as spermatids, and they are haploid itself. So the other one also will form spermatids. So now you can see here from one primary spermatocyte, this is one primary spermatocyte. From one primary spermatocyte, how many spermatids are produced as a result of meiosis 1, meiosis 2? How many spermatids? Yes, very good. So that you have to remember in case any question comes. So from one primary spermatocyte, you will get 4 spermatids, which will go and take nourishment from Sertoli cells, and they will get the shape of sperms. So each spermatids will get converted to sperm. Sperms have head, they have head, then they have neck, then they have a middle piece. This is middle piece because it is in the middle. Middle piece has got energy giving cell organelle which is called as mitochondria. You know mitochondria, they are powerhouse of the cell, and they are spirally arranged like this, as if it is like a spirogyra, like that they are arranged. So these what you see are mitochondria. They give energy for the sperms to swim. So that's about middle piece. Rest will form tail. Tail is for swim. The rest will form tail. This is tail. Now there is a filament here which is not marked in your textbook. I am just telling you, like spindle fibers you have learned during cell division. Like that one microfilaments are there. That is the one who is giving skeleton to the tail and all. Now these are the 3 parts of sperm: head, neck. Neck is not very important. Head, middle piece and tail. Now where is the nucleus? Every cell has got nucleus. So sperm also should have nucleus. Sperm's nucleus is present inside head. So this is where nucleus is present. Nucleus is present in the head, but not the complete part of head is nucleus. In the front of nucleus, there is one structure. This structure is called acrosome. It is called acrosome. Now acrosome has got some enzymes. Acrosomes has got some enzymes to dissolve membranes of ovum. That when you learn about structure of ovum, you will learn that ovum is surrounded by so many membranes. So if the sperm nucleus has to fuse with ovum nucleus, ovum membrane has to be dissolved. That is done by acrosomes enzyme. And mitochondria gives energy to the sperm, tail helps in swimming. So like this modification comes to the sperm. This step is called spermiogenesis. When like this modification comes, it is called spermiogenesis. Which means, now who can tell me the definition, what is spermiogenesis? What got converted to what? That you can tell. What is spermiogenesis? It is a process by which?
The process.
Yes, answer. Process by which? You told spermatids. Good.
The process of spermatids, which is tailless,
Very good.
to form spermatozoa.
Very good. Correct answer. So spermiogenesis will take place. That's a process by which spermatids will become spermatozoa after consuming nourishment from Sertoli cells. So here I have drawn only one sperm, but you know there are four spermatids. So each of the spermatids will become sperm. Like this itself, it will become sperm. 1, 2, 3, 4. So as you see, 4 sperms can be produced from one primary spermatocyte. This is what you have to remember. So this is the process called spermatogenesis. Now once the sperms are produced, they have to be released from the testis. That you have studied, this is the testis means here there is seminiferous tubule. Inside the seminiferous tubule, sperm is produced. Spermatogenesis took place. After that, they all come out. Here there is reti testis, then vasa efferentia, then vas deferens, then vas deferens will, sorry, here it is epididymis. Epididymis. After epididymis comes vas deferens. Then vas deferens will take it receiving secretions from glands and they will bring it to urethra. So finally, all the sperms will be released from the testis to the ducts. These are the ducts. This release of sperms from testis, this release of sperms is called spermiation. Spermiation. See, there are similar names here. One is spermiation, which means release of sperms. Then spermiogenesis, which means modification of spermatids to sperms. Then spermatogenesis means formation of sperms.